a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. The US Senate has confirmed Scott Bessent, a billionaire hedge fund manager and Donald Trump's pick for Treasury Secretary, with the 68-29 vote. Bessent, known for his pro-crypto stance, will oversee fiscal policy, financial regulations, and the US Treasury's $28 trillion debt market. He has expressed opposition to central bank digital currencies, aligning with Trump's view that they are unnecessary in the US. Bessent's confirmation is expected to influence policies supporting tech and crypto innovation, with Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse expressing confidence in his ability to foster growth in the US crypto sector. Under Trump's executive order, Bessent will also be part of a governmental working group to shape US crypto policy. Arizona lawmakers have advanced a bill, the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Act, which seeks to establish a state-backed Bitcoin reserve for government holdings and other public funds. The bill was passed by the Arizona State Senate Finance Committee and now moves to the Senate Rules Committee for final debate. If approved, it could allow up to 10% of public funds to be invested in Bitcoin, with the possibility for pension funds to allocate resources to digital assets. This move could influence other states like Texas and Pennsylvania to follow suit, potentially increasing public interest in cryptocurrencies. DogeCoin has pleaded guilty to operating an unlicensed money-transmitting business and has agreed to pay nearly $300 million in a settlement with the US government. The settlement includes a $184.5 million forfeiture and a $112.9 million fine, and the exchange will exit the US markets for 2 years. DogeCoin's founders, Michael Gann and Eric Tang, will also forfeit $2.7 million and resign from the company. The charges stemmed from the exchange's failure to implement proper anti-money laundering law and know your customer policies measures, as well as its failure to register with the US Treasury's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. While DogeCoin's operations in other markets are unaffected, the settlement clears the path for the exchange to strengthen its compliance framework. Japanese publicly traded company Metaplanet has announced plans to raise over 116 billion yen, around $745 million, through the issuance of 21 million shares. The funds will be used to increase its Bitcoin holdings as part of a strategy to counter the yen's decline and strengthen its position in Bitcoin adoption. Metaplanet aims to acquire 10,000 BTC by the end of 2025 and increase this to 21,000 BTC by 2026, totaling approximately $2.1 billion. The company has already seen exponential growth since adopting Bitcoin as a core treasury asset, including significant unrealized gains and a sharp increase in shareholders and trading volume. Total Capital has filed for 10 crypto-based leverage exchange-traded funds, including funds for popular meme coins such as Donald Trump and Melania meme tokens, along with others targeting assets like XRP, Solana, Litecoin, and Bond. Analysts suggest that these filings may push the boundaries of what the SEC under Trump-appointed crypto-friendly regulators will allow. The leveraged funds would track assets at a 2:1 ratio, which is higher than standard ETFs. If the SEC approves, these ETFs could be trading as soon as April. The filings are seen as testing the limits of regulatory approval, as the SEC recently allowed ETFs for Bitcoin and Ether. Venice AI, a privacy-focused platform founded by Bitcoin advocate Eric, launched its Venice token, that is VVV, on Ethereum's Layer 2 network base on January 27th. Within 2 hours, the token reached a fully diluted valuation of $1 billion, later rising to $1.65 billion. The token allows users to stake for private access to generative AI models, including the controversial DeepSeek R1 model, while ensuring data privacy. Venice allocated 25 million tokens to the public and base users, with the remaining distributed among Venice, liquidity, and incentive funds. Since its May launch, Venice has gained over 400,000 registered users. Notably, there was no pre-sale and no governance mechanism is in place for the token. Ripple Labs has secured money transmitter licenses in Texas and New York, expanding its ability to offer cross-border payment solutions within the US. With over 50 licenses across various jurisdictions, the company emphasized the importance of the stringent regulatory requirements in these states. This move follows Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse House announcement in December that New York Departments of Financial Services approved Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin. Despite these regulatory successes, Ripple is still engaged in a legal battle with the SEC over the status of its XRP token, with ongoing appeals. Additionally, Ripple executives have strong ties to President Donald Trump, including political donations and meetings. DraftKings has reached a settlement in principle with the NFL Player Association over a lawsuit accusing the sports betting platform of using NFL player likeliness in non-fungible tokens without proper payment. The two parties have requested a 60-day stay to finalize the agreement with a March 28th deadline. The NFLPA has sued DraftKings for around $65 million in damages after the platform stopped paying for player likeliness following a federal ruling classifying the NFTs as securities. DraftKings had previously partnered with the NFLPA in 2021 to create collectible NFTs for a fantasy sports game. The settlement is set to be approved by Judge Annalisa Torres. Scam tokens impersonating the Chinese AI company DeepSeek have surged following the company's recent viral success. As of Jan 27th, at least 75 scam tokens were created, a significant jump from the previous day. These tokens are part of a broader trend of fraudulent projects capitalizing on trending events, similar to the surge in fake tokens after US President Trump's meme coin launch. DeepSeek, which released a popular AI app on Jan 20th, has warned users about scams, including a decentralized app designed to steal funds when users connect their wallets. Despite the warning, scammers have been quick to exploit the buzz around DeepSeek, with some fake tokens briefly achieving market caps in the millions before losing value. Indian crypto exchange Mudrix has resumed withdrawals on its platform after briefly pausing them on January 12th for compliance upgrades. The company implemented AI-driven enhancements to strengthen its compliance infrastructure and safeguard against bad actors. Mudrix emphasized its commitment to compliance with local regulations, including the Financial Intelligence Unit and anti-money laundering guidelines, as well as the Financial Action Task Force standards. The exchange, which serves over 3 million users, also requires users to undergo verification through customer due diligence and enhanced due diligence processes. Mudrix has seen significant growth, reporting a 200% increase in its user base in 2024. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Mruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to $3 TV, and for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3percent.io or scan the QR code.